Stephanie's come into our office today, and we are going to talk to her. She's got some concerns about her face. And so the first thing that I always ask my patients, Stephanie, is to tell me what your concerns are.
My folds, under my eyes, the bags, loss of volume in my cheeks, my crow's feet,
Okay.
my whole face.
No, you've got a beautiful face. Don't ever let anybody tell you that
acne
you don't.
scars.
And a little bit of acne scarring in here. Okay. So what we're going to do with Stephanie today is we're going to do a PRP. We're going to add some exosomes to it because she's got a little bit of acne scarring around in here. So we're going to inject all through here with the PRP and the exosomes. We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to do some thread lifting on Miss Stephanie to get rid of this nasolabial fold. She's got a little bit of a marionette line starting right here and on the other side as well. Right in there. It seems to be a little worse on the left. Do you sleep on your side?
Mm-hmm.
I see it in your face. Your face tells me you sleep on your side.
I do.
So we're going to try to work on this acne scarring with the PRP and the exosomes, and then we're going to use the threading to kind of lift everything up and back and kind of pull all this up. Sound good to you?
Sounds good.
Okay.